asparagus. We're going to do olive oil, salt and black pepper, and some garlic. That's all you need for this recipe. You're going to wash the asparagus well and cut some of the stems. For fresh asparagus, you want the tops to be greener than black. When they're turning black, the tops, that means asparagus is not fresh. 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. You're going to cut the bottoms. Olive oil, some salt, black pepper. I'm going to add some garlic. Asparagus can go into the oven actually as it is without any spices. We like our asparagus with garlic. Some will put butter instead of oil. We're going to coat it with our spices. It's going to go in the oven, 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. It's very simple and tasty and healthy. Added some lemon.